Hi friends, welcome to Gardening Escape. This is Saurabh, your gardener friend. Today I will show you how to separate aloe vera pups and how to plant them in pots. At the end of the video, there's 5 secret tips for your plants. Don't miss out. Aloe vera is a very important addition to your garden for its medicinal values. They look quite well as decorative plants too and can easily be grown in pots. Let's see how I separate aloe vera pups. I separate them by just pulling them out of the soil. Before that, thoroughly water the soil and let it soak for 10 minutes. Here I have 1 part normal garden soil, half part coco peat, half part worm castings and 1 part sand. Aloe vera don't like soggy soil. These ingredients will make perfect well draining soil for aloe vera. I already have some premixed succulent soil in this pot. See how soft it is? That's the reason behind my success with aloe vera. Now take a 4-inch pot, check for the drain hole at the bottom and place some broken pieces of clay pot. Fill half the pot with soil mix and place an aloe pup right in the center of the pot. Aloe vera don't need too much space to grow. You can transplant them into a bigger pot when the pot is root bound. Fill the empty part again and press them down gently with your fingers. Don't cover the crown portion of the plant. If ignored, the stem may rot due to excessive moisture on leaf surface area. Aloe vera stem is very weak to support the leaves. For this, you have to press the soil firmly against the stem. After completing the planting process, fully drench the soil for the first time. Then water them when they really need it. Check the moisture level regularly. If it feels moist, then don't water till it dries out. Here's the 5 secret tips for your aloe vera plants I mentioned earlier. Always dry the roots of aloe vera for at least 2 days under semi-shade. This will prevent fungal problems. While planting, don't pour soil above the crown portion. If not properly done, aloe stem will rot. Fertilize aloe vera once in 20 to 25 days for lush green growth. In summer, water aloe vera once in every 2 days and once a week in winter. In rainy season, water only when the soil is dry. Avoid keeping aloe vera in direct sunlight to protect it from turning brown. Keep them in partial shade or indoors. Check out the description box below for more details about aloe vera plants. Comment below about your queries, and if you like the video, press the like button. For regular updates, subscribe Gardening Escape channel and press the bell icon. This is your gardener friend Saurabh signing off.